Today's lesson will find the slopes of lines that passes through points or pairs of points. So the lesson is about slope, and we shall use examples. For example, number 1, find the slope of a line that passes through 4, 3, and -1, 6. So you're told to find the slope of a line that passes through 4, 3 and -1, 6. We shall use the formula of slope, which is m slope equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So all we need to do is to identify y2, y1, x2, and x1 here. This would be our x1, and this would be our y1. So x1 and y1, then this is our x2, x2, and this is our y2. So we'll plug in these numbers here. x2, y2 is right here. y2 is 6. So m equal to 6. And then y1 is right here. y1 is 3 minus 3 divided by, and then x2, we look for x2 here is -1. So I'll put -1, and I'll put it in parentheses just so that I don't confuse it. And then minus x1, and x1 is right here, it's 4. x1 is 4. So m is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. And then -1 subtract 4 is -5. So the slope of a line passing through the point 4, 3 and -1, 6 is equal to 3, -3 over 5. And that's how you solve for the slope. A second example is you're told find the slope of a line that passes through the point -3, 2 and 7, 2. Find the slope of a line that passes through the point -3, 2 and 7, 2. As usual, I'll identify my x1, and this is my x2, and then I'll identify my y. So this is y1 and this is y2. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Then I'll use the formula for slope. I'll say slope m equal to y2. Let me use a different color. y2 minus y1 divided by, and then I say x2 minus x1. So using that, I say m equal y2 is right here. y2 is 2 minus y1. y1 is right here. 2 divided by x2. x2 is 7 minus x1. x1 is right here. And remember, x1 is -3. So please bring the -3 like this in a parenthesis like this. -3. So evaluating that, you get 2 minus 2 is 0. Divided by 7 minus -3 will be 7 plus 3, which is 10. And 0 divided by 10, if you have nothing and you divide it to 10 people, each of them gets nothing. So that is equal to 0. So the slope m equal to 0. Another example is you're told to find the graph that passes through the line. Find the graph that passes through the points -1, 3 and 2, -2.